Kade lokubaleka sikuyabanda ke manje. Babu labo pombeni bagqoka ama jacket. Babu labo pombeni bagqoka ama jacket. Enye into ofuna uyenze, don't wear an expensive jacket with a big name in order to impress poor people to see you that you have money. Let me repeat. Stop wearing this big jacket enegama elikhulu elisuka la elibhale la ngemuva. You are only impressing poor people to show them that you have money. Rich people, they grossly undermine you. They grossly undermine because that is their brand. That is why you don't see them wearing it. Yeah, this is about Dodel. I've got a topic today that says, poor you people in Europe. These people are in EU, European Union, they're poor. Our brothers and sisters are not doing very well. They're not doing very well. We need to sit down and talk about them. This is Babu Dr. Bayisebacham. Namhlanje siyashuta stability nesithi Nedbank House Building ila uzothola khona uBabu Dokotela enza khona imisebenzi yobunyanga. Namhlanje sisi dark room studio number 1 uBabu Dokotela wenza ama video khona ke. Angikusho nje lokho. I am inyanga Babu Dokotela. I was initiated by Babu Magwaza 1993 go July 1993 go July. I didn't know that it will last this long and be seen by more than 7 million people making videos, talking to people, telling them my story and other people's stories. I thank you for watching me.